Let me ask you something. What if the life you're waiting to feel inspired by is waiting on you? Not tomorrow, not when the money is right, not when the stress is gone, not when the world finally slows down and behaves itself, right now. Most people wake up and give their day away before their feet hit the floor. They reach for the phone, they check the messages, they scroll through everybody else's emergencies. Before breakfast, their mind is already leased out.
So today, I don't want to give you a speech full of pretty words. I want to hand you a match.
So here's the first shift. Before you check your phone, before you open the laptop, before the world starts knocking on the door of your mind, ask yourself one simple question. What do I want to experience today? What do I have to survive? Not who needs something from me, not what problem is waiting.
Now be honest with me, how many of you have done that? Exactly. Listen, I'm not judging you. I've done it too.
What do I want to experience today? Peace, courage, focus, gratitude, discipline, joy. Name it and you start aiming for it. And a person with an aim is a person with power. You don't need a perfect morning. You need a chosen one.
The second shift is this. Stop waiting for joy to arrive wearing a parade uniform. Most of life's best moments don't have fireworks. Sometimes joy is a good cup of coffee, a song that finds you at the right time.
If you can't notice small blessings, you'll walk past big ones. So today, train your eyes. Look for the little sparks, the tiny mercies, the quiet gifts, because inspiration doesn't always shout. Sometimes it whispers. Look again. Now here's the third shift. Feed your mind daily, because your mind is not a storage room. It's a garden. Whatever you plant will grow.
If you feed it fear, fear grows. If you feed it complaints, complaints grow. If you feed it possibility, possibility grows. Read something that lifts you. Listen to something that sharpens you. Spend time with people who lift your spirit.
Because you cannot live an inspired life with a starved mind. Some try building a bright future while feeding their minds yesterday's pain.
That ends today. Turn to the person beside you and say, strike the match.
Again, like you mean it. That's it. Because inspiration is not just a feeling, it is a practice. It is a choice. It is a daily decision to stop living like life is happening to you and start living like something powerful is happening through you. Now, before we close, let's take a few questions. Because motivation is only useful when it can meet real life.
What if I wake up and I don't feel inspired at all?
Then you need it more, not less. Inspiration doesn't need free time, it just needs an open moment.
What if my life is stressful and I don't have time for inspiration?
Good question. Don't wait to feel inspired. Move first. Action often brings feeling, not the other way around. Take the walk, write the sentence, make the bed, say the prayer, open the journal. Small actions open the door to inspiration.
How do I stay inspired when people around me are negative?
You protect the flame. That doesn't mean you stop loving people. Stop giving others the keys to your mood. Some people bring clouds everywhere they go. Be kind to them, pray for them, help where you can. Don't let them rearrange your mind. Your inspiration is your responsibility. Guard it.
So here's the truth I want you to take with you. You don't find inspiration once and keep it forever, wanting in the mess, in the ordinary places.
In the small choices, nobody applauds. And one day you look back and realize something beautiful. The inspired life was not built by one giant breakthrough, struck one day at a time. So today, don't wait for lightning. Strike the match. Decide now on one meaningful step you will take today to spark inspiration in your life.